Hello guys, today we are going to learn about how to install a Python Visual Studio for the Python coding. So let's we start. First you go to open Google Chrome and write Python in Visual Studio code. So this there are more available studios, but we will choose this Python Visual Studio. So click there and go to this version is allowed to Windows 8, 10 and 11 also. So you can go to install this version for your coding, Python coding. So we go to simply click Python. So this version is for Windows 8, 10 and 11 also, and these are the make application. Then Ubuntu, these are the other. So we will work on the Windows Python setup. So I would like to install this one. So there is installing, downloading the setup of the go to open in the folder. So this is the version of our Python. So click one. So it is the license agreement. You accept agreement first, then first go to last one, then click next and choose the address or location where you want to install this version. So I will want to install the C drive. As usually we always install the all software. So go to next and create okay, so go to next. Okay, this is the Visual Code Studio. Okay, then there is the select edition task. So edition icon, create desktop icon. If you want to create icon on the desktop, your computer desktop, you can click here and it open with code action to Window Explorer. If you want to open the Window Explorer, find contents menu, yes, and it open with the code action with the Window Exploration directory contents menu, yes. So you can choose all these things, all these options, and go to next and go finally installation. This will be take to some few minutes. So you are completing the Visual Studio Code setup and launch the Visual Studio Code, and you can see here this code is this setup is installed in my computer, Visual Studio Code. So I hope you understand today's video and learn something about. Next video I will open these all codes by using the Python, and we will use the Python code in this Visual Studio. So I think you understand, and keep touch to my channel and subscribe for the next video. Thanks to all. Take care. Bye bye.